Exercise 7, number 1 is a two-part question based on the diagram shown on the board, which is a right angle triangle ABC with two sides given, AB being 7 units and BC being 9 units, and theta being between the longest side of the right angle triangle and BC, which is between AC and BC. Now, before we proceed, we need to assign these sides as this one. Our acronym SOHCAHTOA, in order for us to obtain theta. So, because this is the adjacent side given and the opposite side given, so which means we can only use tan function in order to obtain theta with the given information. That means tan theta would be equals to opposite, which is AB, over adjacent, which is BC. That would be AB being 7 units and BC being 9 units. So this is tan theta is equals to 7 over 9. Therefore theta will then be equals to the arctan of 7 over 9, and therefore theta will be equals to, you punch that into your calculator, that's going to be 10 of, let's see, that's going to be 10 of 7, actually it's arctan, pardon me for that. So that means that's going to be shift arctan of 7 over 9. That then gives us a solution of 37.9 degrees. I've rounded it off to 1 decimal place. Let me just confirm. Oh yes, we are requested to round off to 1 decimal place. So theta will then be 37.9 degrees. Now, in the second part of this, that will be 37.9 degrees. In the second part, which is B, we are being requested in B to calculate the length of AC. Now, AC is the hypotenuse. Now, I always tell you, if you want to get accurate answers, don't use the information of the previously calculated parameters. So as I was saying, I would rather let you use the given parameters in order to obtain the third side. Now the hypotenuse, obviously, in this case, remember we normally say your adjacent is represented by X, your opposite side is represented by the variable Y, and your hypotenuse side represented by the variable R. And that translates into R squared is equals to X squared plus Y squared, and that's by Pythagoras theorem. And then R will then be equals to the square root of X squared, X being 9 squared, plus my Y being 7 squared, and then that's going to be 9 times 9, it's 81, plus 7 times 7, 49, and that's going to be 120 Okay, that's good. 81 plus 49 giving us 130, the square root of 130, and that square root of 130 giving us, you can leave it as that, or you can write it out as a decimal number. That would be 11.4 units. 11.4 units. So that would be the length of AC. AC squared will be equals to that, and therefore AC will be equals to R, and therefore AC is equals to 11.4 units.